Hi guys, my name is Gideon and I'm here again with another tutorial on how to secure your WhatsApp account. Privacy is very important when it comes to social media accounts, and I'll tell you for free that WhatsApp was built to a reasonable level of security and encryption, making sure users verify their account and enable the two-factor authentication. That doesn't mean everything is perfect. So if you've been using a weak password or you forgot to enable the two-factor authentication, you are definitely putting your account at risk. So if you have been getting messages or maybe you have been bothered, your account has been sending messages to your friends, or maybe you have been worried about maybe your account been monitored or something you can't really tell, worry about that no more, because on this video I'll be teaching you to know if your account is actually being monitored or not. Okay, so one for you to confirm that, on your chat screen, you click on the three dots at the top right corner, you click on WhatsApp web, or you see link devices. Once you do that, you click out of log out of all devices, because if you are logged into any version, it will be listed here. Once you have this interface, you are automatically logged out of every web device that it might be monitoring your account. And that's not all. There's a unique feature from WhatsApp, which is the two-factor authentication. Once you enable the two-factor authentication, you are in turn reducing the risks of your account being monitored. So how do you do that? Monitored or being hacked? For you to do that, you still click on the three icons, you click on your settings, then you click on the two-factor verification. Once you do that, you click on enable. Once you click on enable, you select a password for your WhatsApp. And I hope you find this video interesting. Thank you.